Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create a very simple morph effect in Microsoft PowerPoint. A morph effect is where you change one object into another very smoothly. It's a sort of animation technique. So I have a brand new slide here with nothing on it. I'm going to the insert menu and I'm just going to add a circle shape. So I'm just drawing out a circle holding the shift key as I do it. I'm going to right click and duplicate this slide so that I have another plain slide. I'm going to remove that shape and I'm going to put my second shape in here. In other words, the shape that I want to turn into. And for this, I'm going to do a few things. I'm going to morph from a circle into a star, but I'm also going to change the color as we do it and also the size. So there is a simple morph effect in PowerPoint where you can morph from one shape to the same shape, but this is a more difficult one, so let's have a look and see how we can do the more difficult one, because then we're going to be able to do them all. I'm going to my first slide, I'm going to Home tab of the ribbon, I'm going to the Select option, I'm going to choose Selection Pane. There is a trick to morphing from one shape to another, and you have to name the two shapes the exact same thing. So right now this is oval 3, I'm just going to add 2 exclamation marks. They're called bangs, so that's bang bang. It's a sort of trigger to the computer, and I can put in any name I like. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to just call this shape 1. But it could be car, it could be horse, it could be whatever you like. Now let's go to the second slide. Again, select this shape and again do exactly the same thing using the exact same name. The double exclamation marks, also called bang bang, which is the trigger for this, and then shape 1. So my two shapes are named the exact same thing. Now to apply the morph effect, we're going to choose the second slide, the one that is the target, the one where we want to morph the original shape into this. And on this slide, we're going to transitions and we're just going to click morph. And you can see in the preview exactly how this is working. So let's go back to slide 1 and let's run our slideshow very quickly. Let's go to the second slide and our shape is morphing from one shape to the other, from the circle to the star. So that is quite simply how you can set up and execute a morph in a slideshow in PowerPoint. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results every time, then you'll love my other YouTube videos. So give this video a thumbs up and click to subscribe to the channel. And on the screen now, you'll see a video that I've handpicked for you to watch next.